Hi guys, it's Lainey, and today I'm sharing with you 3 of my favorite recipes that I've made throughout the years for Halloween. They're quick and easy. You can take them tonight or tomorrow, whenever your party is, and it will take you less than an hour to make these. So the first dessert is dirt pudding. You can actually make this vegan, you guys. You can veganize these. You're just gonna have to choose chocolate pudding, which is vegan. I've seen them actually, and then use soy milk. And then you're going to add whipped topping, which is vegan, and mix it up. Then you're going to grab some Oreos, crumble those up, and then place the pudding in a small cup, like so. Sprinkle some Oreos on top and garnish with chocolate covered strawberries, or you can leave those out and just add the Halloween candy. That's pretty much it. Everybody will love these. These are so good, and these are bite-sized, which is my favorite. So the next recipe I'm sharing with you are these peanut butter chocolate cupcakes. They're delicious, they're super duper easy, and they're a crowd favorite. So in a large bowl, add softened butter, peanut butter, Nutella, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and you're going to mix this until it's well combined. Next, you're going to add the eggs and you're going to thoroughly mix that, then add the flour, and that's pretty much it. So you're going to transfer the cupcake batter into some cupcake pans and you're going to bake them. So while the cupcakes are baking, let's make the cream cheese frosting. You're going to need some cream cheese, butter, and you're going to mix that up, add some powdered sugar, make sure you sift it, and then continue mixing. Put it in a piping bag, and once the cupcakes have completely cooled, go ahead and frost them like so. So I garnished the cupcakes with some mashed candy and I added some cupcake toppers. Looks very festive, right guys? So the very last recipe I'm sharing with you is more of a step-by-step. It's, again, really easy. You can have your kids help you make these, or you can whip them up in under 10 minutes. So basically you need some frosting and a cookie, cut it in half. Add the red frosting on top, some marshmallows, that will be the teeth, and some almonds, and there you go. The next treats are super duper easy. All you need are some Rice Krispie treats, candy eyes, and chocolate melts. Melt the chocolate, dip the Rice Krispies in the melted chocolate, place it on parchment paper, add the eyes before the chocolate dries, and then you can drizzle more chocolate on top of the Rice Krispies. So the last treats I'm sharing with you are actually kind of gross and pretty easy to make. So you're going to need some graham crackers, cream cheese frosting, and red food coloring. So just add the cream cheese frosting on the graham cracker with a little bit of red food coloring, and there you go, these yucky, gross band-aids just for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of these yummy Halloween treats, and I will see you on Friday at 4 p.m. Have a good one. Be safe, guys. Bye.